mangabe bungaka subscribe cindezela ibutton usubscribe. Usifiso Hlanti ebekayiqeqesha neKaizer Chiefs manje ke sekajoyine lona ke iqembu leMoroka Swallows. Uthi ke uHlanti yena ke ayikho iarrangement ayenze neKaizer Chiefs eyokuthi ke makuphela isizini ka 2020-2021 uzobuyele emuva ayojoyina iqembu leKaizer Chiefs. Yena ke kwiSwallows usayine 2 years contract ngeoption yokuthi ke kungenzeka leyo contract ay extend ngonyaka owodwa.
No, there's no arrangement. That's why I said to you earlier, I've signed with Swallows a 2-year deal plus 1-year option. So maybe those, what people are saying, for me, I think those are the rumors.